Hi guys, today I'll be doing for you some peanut porridge with oats. Okay, so I have a cup of peanut right here. I have the cinnamon here, Fosco oats, some coconut milk, rose water, vanilla, sugar, okay, some cinnamon leaf and nutmeg. Gonna have also add salt to taste with the sweet milk. Alright, so I'm gonna get started now. Wash the peanuts and get it ready for the fire. So yes, I'll be back shortly. I've added the pot to the stove now. I've used 3 cups of water, and I'm gonna bring this to boil. I'm gonna add the cinnamon leaf into it for it to boil before adding the peanuts and the oats. Okay, I've added the cinnamon leaf, so I'm gonna allow this to come to a boil before adding the mixture. Alright, so I'm gonna cover this now and allow it to boil. Water is now boiling, so I'm gonna add a little salt, 1/4 teaspoon, alright, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Alright, that's the salt I'm adding throughout. I'm going to add my mixture. So here I've blended the peanut with the oats. I use a cup of peanut to 1 cup of oats. I use like 1 cup of water, 1.5 cup of water to blend them. Alright, I'm gonna be pouring my mixture now into this boiling water. Okay, now whisk it to ensure that it is, when it cooks, it doesn't have any lump. You have to stir it. Okay, start stirring, because remember, we don't want it to be lumpy. We want to have a smooth, nice, rich porridge. Okay, at this stage I'm gonna get my milk, coconut milk, ready to pour into the mixture. Remember, these things are easy to cook, don't take very long, so roughly half an hour and your porridge is ready. Right, so I have here roughly 1.5 cups of milk, coconut milk, so I'm gonna add it to the mixture now. Continue to stir. You could also make peanut alone. You don't have to add the oats, but I prefer the oats with it today. So yeah, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, let's stir this. So I'm gonna be adding my vanilla, rose water, nutmeg, yes, at this time. Okay, nice and smooth. 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Stir this. Rose water almond, and try this again. I'm gonna reduce the fire under it, make it slowly cook. Wow, smells so good. So any minute now this will be ready. Okay. Not too thick and not too watery. Okay. That's how I like it. So I hope you like it this way too. Porridge is coming along. Get ready to sweeten my porridge now. I'm gonna use some condensed milk and some brown sugar to taste. You can sweeten to taste according to how you want the porridge to be sweetened. Can be your style of sweetening. It doesn't matter. I mean, like how it tastes when you're finished. Okay. All sweetened and ready to be eaten. All done. Ready to be eaten. Peanut porridge with oats. Guys, how would you want to eat this porridge today? Or dough bread and crackers, or either crackers or dough bread? I'm having both. Porridge, another porridge, peanut and oats. Remember to like this video, share with your family, comment below, and most of all, subscribe. Happy cooking. See you guys in the next video. Okay, comment and let me know which one of these you would have with this porridge now. Crackers or hard dough bread. I'm ready to have this now, so bye. See you later.